LG E8 OLED is the first TV we've tested from the company's 2018 range. That's exciting, given OLED's dominance of the high-end 2017 TV market. As it was last year, the E-series is the step-up option, offering a more premium design than the standard C-series. The E8 arrives boasting a refreshed design, enriched smart features and, best of all, a powerful new processing engine. Maybe this doesn't sound all that much on paper, but trust me, that new processing engine matters. It matters a lot. Here we have the 65-inch LG E8 OLED, or by its full name the LG OLED65E8P. It's also available at 55 inches, LG OLED65E8P. The LG E8 OLED remains a thing of beauty, but it isn't quite as glorious as its predecessor, the LG OLED65E7. The latter had glass protruding some distance from all four sides of its frame, which served to exaggerate the incredible slimness of its pixels-on-glass design. Instead, three sides of the LG E8's frame now look relatively normal in a smart black finish, leaving only the bottom edge to stand out from the crowd. This connects to the TV's strikingly metallic and minimalist desktop stand via a unique full-width, 2-inch drop of transparent glass. As a result, the screen appears to be floating in midair. It's a cool effect for sure. But, for me, the E7's design felt that bit more glamorous. Plus, clamping the stand to the OLED65E8's glass section makes for a pretty terrifying setup experience. That's not to say the TV isn't well built. In fact, once you've survived the trauma of attaching the desktop stand, it feels more robust than its predecessor. The LG E8 OLED ships with one of LG's magic remote controls. This differs from most TV handsets in two ways. First, it lets you control an on-screen cursor just by pointing the remote at the TV screen. Second, you can navigate up and down its menus with a scroll wheel. Both these control features work well following some practice. Although, if you really can't get used to them, there are also fallback standard navigation buttons on hand. Helpfully, the OLED65E8's remote provides direct access buttons to Netflix and Amazon Video, and carries a mic for accessing LG's excellent new voice control features.